Good day to everyone. In this video, we'll see how to do the subtotal. Suppose we are having a large number of data and we need the subtotals for each category. Then we can use this subtotal option here. This subtotal option it can be found in the data menu. We can find subtotal in the right corner. We can see the subtotal. In order to do the subtotal, first we need to select the data, then go to data menu, then click on subtotal. Once you click on the subtotal, you will get a dialog box here. In this dialog box, you have various categories here at each change in. That means it is asking where you need the change. Each change in, if I select date, then it will give us the subtotal based on the date. Suppose on the 9th of January 2021, what are the sales that has happened, that data it will fetch for us. Now I'm selecting the salesperson name, then function as sum only. Since we are doing the subtotal, we are keeping the function as sum. Then add subtotal to. Then we have the data of sales commission and purchase. Those are the numerical data which we are having. So we can get the subtotals for this data. I'm selecting this data. Now we will be getting the data of each person's sales commission and purchases. Now I'm clicking on OK. Now you can see we have got the subtotals for each member here. That is each person's total sales done by each person's and the sales commission and the total purchases. These details has been fetched using this subtotal. You can see here Abhay's subtotal we have got. In the same way Mayank subtotal and Radhika subtotal, Rajesh subtotal, Rakesh subtotal. Like this we have got the subtotals. This is how the subtotal is done. Thank you for joining today's session. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down the video. We will revert back to your queries as soon as possible. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And also please share our videos to your friends and family members.